honestly, chemistry I believe is the best discipline to be learning about. It's the study of matter and how the universe works, and the forces that cause phenomena that we experience every day. And it's exciting, it's challenging, but it's extremely rewarding.
And it isn't one of these things where you just rote memorize and regurgitate an answer. You get to actually think about it and be involved in it and do something maybe that no one has ever done before.
A lot of what we're doing is preparing students to do what they want in their next step.
Chemistry can give you the background that you need to contribute in a meaningful way in your choice of profession.
Chemistry is life. Chemistry is what everything in the universe is built on, obviously, and I think understanding those principles and getting more knowledge about those things can help you in any field.
I think that at BYU Idaho, the professors are here because they want to be here. The professors are always really open to helping students.
We don't have faculty that are searching after their own interest, and that's what makes us unified.
So we're a department of teachers who happen to be chemists, rather than chemists who happen to be teachers.
I really feel that the best thing about the chemistry department here at BYU Idaho is our amazing faculty and their willingness to teach students one-on-one.
We get to know the chemistry majors and are very fond of them, and I very much enjoyed that interaction.
Every professor knows your name. Every professor learns what you're interested in, and also they look out for you and they try to find opportunities for you.
We have a thriving chemistry society that our chemists and other majors can be involved in. There they have opportunities to be leaders and just be involved in what's going on in the field of chemistry. That's one opportunity that they have here.
I really love when I teach my fellow students here and I can help them have that aha moment, or when I'm learning something, I get that same moment.
And I've come to appreciate learning from other students. We talk about here the learning model and having other students teach me and me teaching other students. I've come to learn by doing.
I remember one specific student. He brought his son to see where he had been a student. He pointed to the floor outside my office and he said to his son, "There is where I learned chemistry. There is where I learned to be a student." And he sat there cross-legged outside my office doing his homework, hour upon hour upon hour. He was not a very well-prepared student, and he learned. And he learned one-on-one, and he's a physician now in Boise.
Because of the chemistry department, I really believe that I can do just about anything.
There's so many options because it's integral in like so many different areas.
I believe the BYU Idaho experience does more than just teaching us knowledge in a certain discipline or field. I believe that it's really, for me, it's been a stepping stone to prepare for life.
And we've heard from various graduate schools that they like our students.
I think they're some of the hardest, if not the hardest working students on campus.
You don't have to be smart to be a chemistry major. It takes a lot of work. It's a challenge, that's for sure, but anybody can do it.
Looking at that end result of what you can become and what you can accomplish kind of gives you that motivation to put in the work required to get through these hard chemistry courses.
If you're getting a degree in science and math related areas, which chemistry is, you're going to have a job. And you're going to have a good job.
You know, even though they struggle, sometimes they complain, they recognize, hey, this is fun. I can apply myself, I can learn, I can see the benefit of my efforts and start to understand in a meaningful way and apply that to what they're doing with their professions.